Welcome back to CurioSphere. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most powerful books on personal growth ever written, Atomic Habits by James Clear. Ever wondered why some people seem to improve effortlessly, while others struggle to stay consistent? The secret lies not in motivation, but in habits, the small, repeated actions that shape our identity. So in this video, we'll break down the key ideas from Atomic Habits, how tiny changes can create extraordinary results, and how you can use these ideas to transform your daily life one small habit at a time. Stay till the end, because I'll also share 3 simple techniques you can start using today to build better habits and break the bad ones. Ready? Let's jump in. Let's start with the core idea of Atomic Habits. Big changes don't come from big actions. They come from small, consistent improvements, done every single day. James Clear calls this the 1% rule. If you get just 1% better each day, by the end of the year, you'll be 37 times better than when you started. It sounds simple, doesn't it? But it's deeply powerful, because habits compound over time, just like money in a savings account. Now, to understand how habits actually work, James Clear breaks them into 4 simple steps: cue, craving, response, and reward. Let's explore each one. Step 1, the cue. This is the trigger, something that reminds your brain to start a habit. For example, seeing your running shoes near the door might remind you to go for a jog. Step 2, the craving. This is the desire or motivation that pushes you to act. You don't crave the habit itself, you crave the feeling it gives you, like the freshness after a workout or the calmness after meditation. Step 3, the response. This is the actual habit, the action you take. And step 4, the reward. This is the satisfaction or benefit you get, the reason your brain remembers to repeat the habit. Together, these steps form what's called a habit loop. Cue, craving, response, and reward. And the more often you repeat it, the stronger the loop becomes. Now, James Clear gives us 4 laws of behavior change to help us build better habits and break bad ones. These laws are: 1. Make it obvious. 2. Make it attractive. 3. Make it easy. 4. Make it satisfying. Let's understand each one with examples. Law 1. Make it obvious. Want to build a reading habit? Keep a book right on your desk, not hidden away in a drawer. Your environment should make good habits visible and bad habits invisible. Law 2. Make it attractive. Combine something you want to do with something you need to do, like listening to your favorite podcast only while working out. That way, your mind starts linking pleasure with discipline. Law 3. Make it easy. Don't aim for perfection, aim for consistency. Start with just 2 pages a day, or a 5-minute workout, because small wins build momentum. Law 4. Make it satisfying. Reward yourself immediately. Cross off a habit tracker, enjoy a small treat, or simply acknowledge your effort. Your brain loves instant feedback, and that's what keeps the habit alive. But what about breaking bad habits? You simply reverse the 4 laws. Make it invisible, make it unattractive, make it difficult, and make it unsatisfying. For example, if you want to stop scrolling social media, keep your phone in another room during work hours. Now listen closely, because this is the real secret of Atomic Habits. It's not just about achieving goals. It's about becoming the kind of person who naturally does the right things. You don't need to act like a healthy person. You need to become one. Every small habit is a vote for the person you want to become. So start small. Stay consistent. And let your habits shape your destiny. And that brings us to the end of our journey through atomic habits. A simple, yet life-changing reminder that small actions done consistently can create massive transformation. Remember, you don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. So build systems that work for you, one small habit at a time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to CurioSphere, where curiosity meets knowledge and learning never stops. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video, where we'll explore another fascinating idea that will make you think and grow. Until then, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the world of ideas with CurioSphere.